Preposition. Go to. We go to school every morning. Talk to. I need to talk to my boss about the project. Look at. Look at that beautiful sunset. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. Look after. She looks after her younger brother. Listen to. I listen to music while working. Wait for. I'm waiting for the bus. Think about. I'm thinking about changing my job. Arrive at. We arrived at the airport early. Pay for. I paid for the dinner last night. Apologize for. He apologized for being late. Write to. I wrote to my friend in Canada. Dream about. I dreamed about flying last night. Laugh at. They laughed at the funny joke. Run to. She ran to the classroom to not be late. Sit next to. He sits next to his best friend in class. Read about. I read about planets for my science project. Share with. She shared her notes with her classmate. Learn about. We learned about history in class today. Focus on. I need to focus on my studies this week. Point at. He pointed at the map during the presentation. Draw for. He drew a picture for the art competition. Sing with. They sang with the choir at the school event. Study for. I'm studying for my English test tomorrow. Play with. He plays with his friends during recess. Search for. He searched for a book in the library. Chat with. I chatted with my classmate about the project. Smile at. She smiled at her friend across the classroom. Worry about. He's worrying about his grades. Prepare for. They prepared for the school play all week. Thanks for watching.